Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and insights. Microsoft Advertising, accessible at ads.microsoft.com, offers a powerful platform for businesses to connect with their target audiences. Leveraging the vast reach of the Microsoft Search network, including Bing and Yahoo, advertisers can place their messages in front of millions of potential customers actively searching for products and services. The platform provides a range of advertising formats, from text-based search ads that appear alongside search results to visually engaging display ads that capture attention across a network of premium websites. Microsoft Advertising empowers businesses to finely tune their campaigns through advanced targeting options, ensuring that their ads reach the right people at the right time. Advertisers can target users based on demographics, interests, location, and even specific keywords they use in their searches. This precision targeting helps maximize the return on investment by focusing ad spend on users most likely to convert into customers. Furthermore, the platform offers robust analytics and reporting tools that provide valuable insights into campaign performance. Advertisers can track key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click, allowing them to continuously optimize their campaigns for better results. With its comprehensive suite of features and integration with other Microsoft products, Microsoft Advertising provides a compelling solution for businesses seeking to expand their reach and drive growth. The platform's intuitive interface makes it easy to manage campaigns, even for those new to online advertising. For businesses looking to harness the power of search and display advertising, Microsoft Advertising offers a compelling alternative, or complement, to other platforms, providing a comprehensive solution to connect with a broad and engaged audience. Exploring ads.microsoft.com is a worthwhile step for any business considering expanding its digital marketing strategy. It offers a potential avenue to reach a diverse audience and achieve significant business growth.